In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a payment plan in Keap. To get started, it's critical to ensure that you have a payment processor connected. Whether you're using Keap Pay or another supported credit card processor, this connection is essential for managing transactions smoothly. Once you've confirmed your payment processor is ready to go, let's dive into Keap. Begin by navigating to the contact record of the customer for whom you'd like to set up the payment plan. This is where all the magic happens, as you'll be able to track and manage all aspects of the customer's payments in one place. Next, you'll want to click on More, and then select Add Payment. This is your gateway to entering the details of the payment plan. Here, you'll choose a product from your list or create a new one if necessary. Having a product set up properly ensures that both you and your customer are clear about what is being paid for, and it helps streamline the process moving forward. With your product selected, it's time to decide on the payment method. Since we're setting up a recurring payment plan, you'll need to opt for a credit card. This requirement is crucial, as recurring payments rely on the stability and automation that credit card transactions provide. Once the payment method is set, you'll see an option to check the Recurring Payments box. This step is where you truly configure the specifics of your payment plan. You'll set the frequency, which can be daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly, depending on what makes the most sense for you and your customer. You have the flexibility to choose a start date, which could be set in the future if needed, offering the customer some convenience in picking a timeline that works best for them. Another decision to make is determining how long the payment plan should run. This can be defined by the number of occurrences, or you might choose to set an end date. The choice here often depends on whether you have a fixed-term agreement or something more ongoing. After you've configured all these settings to your satisfaction, make sure to hit Save. This final step ensures that Keap acknowledges your entry and will begin automatically charging the payments as per the schedule you created. From here onwards, you can have peace of mind knowing that Keap will manage your customers' payments with precision and consistency, ensuring a seamless transaction process for both parties involved. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a payment plan in Keap. This setup not only simplifies your billing process, but also enhances the customer experience by providing a reliable and predictable payment structure. Thanks for watching, and happy setting up.